everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for Krul Tepes from Seraph of the End. And first, right away, we're going to start off with putting on our wig cap. I have already prepped my face for my makeup. Now I am applying foundation all over and I'm going to be blending that out. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows, and I'm doing that by taking a pink eyeshadow in my eyebrow brush and just filling in that shape. Next, I am applying concealer to my eyelids, under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and my nose, and blending that out with a makeup sponge. Next, I'm taking a sponge and some loose powder and setting my entire face, and then taking a brush and brushing away all the excess powder. Now it's time for the eyeshadow. This look is honestly pretty simple. I'm just taking the same pink that I used for my eyebrows and brushing that into the outside corner and under my eye. Okay, next I'm going to be doing the eyeliner. And first I'm going to be drawing a straight line and then drawing an angle up towards the end of my eyebrow. From that point, I'm going to draw a line towards the center of my eye and fill in. For the bottom of my eye, I like to draw a light line into my crease to give it a more natural look. Then I'm going in with a lighter eyeliner and drawing bottom lashes to make my eyes look bigger. Next, I'm applying false eyelashes to my top lash line. Now I'm going to apply a contour to my nose along with blush and highlight. For the lipstick, I'm using a red and blending that out from the inside, and then going in with a darker shade and doing the same. One last thing I like to do with makeup is put mascara on to set the eyelashes. Now that you have the makeup done, go ahead and add a wig, put on Cosplay, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and to check out all my other social media posted below. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and make sure to stay safe.